वक्त बहुत बड़ी खबर आ रही है विश्व कप से जुड़ी हुई। ये बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, आईसीसी के प्रेसिडेंट मुस्तफा कमाल ने आरोप लगाया है कि भारत को विश्व कप जिताने के लिए साजिश हो रही है। एबीपी न्यूज से एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत करते हुए कमाल ने दावा किया कि भारत बांग्लादेश मैच में भारत के पक्ष में 12 गलत फैसले दिए गए। स्क्रीन पर लिखा गया, जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा, इंडिया जीतेगा। कमाल का कहना है कि उन्होंने आईसीसी के सीईओ डेव रिचर्डसन से शिकायत की है, लेकिन कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई। कमाल जो है वो आईसीसी में प्रेसिडेंट हैं और आईसीसी के चेयरमैन जो हैं वो भारत के एन श्रीनिवासन हैं। कमाल से ऊंचे पद पर हैं श्रीनिवासन। मेरे सहयोगी कुंतल ने बात की कमाल से।
भारत बांग्लादेश मैच में अंपायरिंग लेके खुश नहीं है। खुद आईसीसी के प्रेसिडेंट हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं, मुस्तफा कमाल जो आईसीसी के प्रेसिडेंट हैं। मिस्टर कमाल, वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू दैट you said that you're not happy with the umpiring. What is it all about? If you can share it with us.
Well, because you see, I was on the ground. I was on the ground in front of me. Everything happened. So umpiring in cricket, sometimes it goes in favor of somebody. Sometimes it goes against somebody. It can happen because there could be human errors. But yesterday, what has happened? What was transpired? And from the crowd itself, the way the entire crowd was resenting, expressing their despair and all these things. I am also with them. You see, because I have seen so many mistakes cannot happen. So it seems that the umpiring, well, I can't say exactly that it was done deliberately, but it seems it was not done fairly. Human errors, it exceeded that level of human errors. So when it exceeds that level of human errors, in that case, I have no language, because not one, not two, not three, not four, it's a dozen of mistakes, dozen of omissions, dozen of commissions. So all went against Bangladesh. How come? That all of your mistakes, all of your findings will go against Bangladesh, a particular team. So then that is the reason actually all over Bangladesh, they are also watching the game. Every decisions after decisions when it was going against Bangladesh, the entire people of Bangladesh, they came out of the house, they went to the streets, started shouting, and then they went into procession into all over Bangladesh. The procession was there. So then they started calling me, what will be my role? They were asking me. I said, look, I am here today as a guest of ICC and I'm an observer. I'm like a supporter, like you. So I told them, so whatever you have observed, I have also observed. So my findings, what I have seen, it will be definitely raised to the August body in their next meeting. So that I have said. I have said it to my media as well. And it is true. In the next meeting, I will take up the matter. The level of umpiring was very poor, very poor, very low.
Do you feel it could be deliberate?
Maybe, but I'm not sure whether it is deliberate or not, because how can I say it is deliberate? Because I strongly believe that ICC match officials, ICC team management, they are on the ground. They have seen themselves what has happened. But apart from this thing, because while the game was on, I saw on the giant screen another thing which is not at all acceptable. And a body like ICC, they can't accept it. How did ICC? How could ICC do it? It goes against my comprehension even.
You're telling me that on the screen it was written that "Jeetega bhai jeetega, India jeetega." You had said something to the CEO of ICC regarding this?
Yeah, because you see, when it was going on, then our team management, BCB people, they came down to me that how come it is being relayed like that. So it was made very, very clear that today India is winning and management is also winning. When it is in giant screen is belonging to ICC. What is even each and every language of the commercials, it comes under the audit and under the supervision and under the guidance of ICC. How ICC could release or could allow anybody to make an advertisement like that? Say today's match is India's match. Today we are here and we are here to see that India is winning. So why management? People they think this is the management of the ICC. So ICC when says like that today India is winning in that case, how Bangladesh can win? So it morally, the Bangladeshi players are morally very, very down because of this. So the moment I saw that one, I raised it to the notice of the ICC CEO. So he also agreed. He also said it is not fair, it should be stopped. But unfortunately, it was not stopped.
थैंक्स फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस। जो आईसीसी के प्रेसिडेंट मुस्तफ़ा कमाल का कहना है कि वो अंपायरिंग लेकर खुश नहीं है, और साथ ही में एक वो कह रहे हैं कि जो जायंट स्क्रीन में भी दिखाया गया कि भारत को ये मैच जीतना है, वो बात लेकर भी उनका कहना है कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था। तो काफ़ी डिसअपॉइंटेड है आईसीसी के प्रेसिडेंट मुस्तफ़ा कमाल। कैमरामैन उत्तम हलदर के साथ कुंतल चक्रवर्ती, एबीपी न्यूज़ मेलबर्न।